Okay.
Hi, everyone!
Hey, Aaron, what do we have?
We have 2 inflatables! We have this cute cat with the pumpkin.
Okay, so we got this little
and
cat.
then we have a little... Where's the spider picture?
We have this gigantic spider, and we have a new inflatable from At Home. This is a cat holding a pumpkin. He was $20. See? $19.99.
Let's see how tall
And this is the pumpkin. So this one we got on Amazon, and I can link in the description, but let me show you guys what these look like. Alright, so we're going to do the inflatable cat first. It's tiny, so it shouldn't take long.
Maybe it's like my...
Bless you.
How? That's good music.
Alright, so here is the little cat. You can see his pink little nose. Is that his nose? Oh, it's his cheek. Alright, so I'm going to help Aaron put the plug on, and then we will plug it in. Alright, let's inflate and see what it looks like.
Oh, stop getting on me, bugs. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. Let me help him.
Technically, this is our second Halloween inflatable, because the first one I bought was that one over there. He's so cute.
He's not inflated yet. He's only fair.
Alright, so you can see here his super cute little face. He is holding a jack-o'-lantern, and then he's got a tail. Check it out. Cute. Super cute.
He
and
can
there's
hit
the
me
fan.
with the tail. He can hit me with the tail.
Whoa. Alright, let's see what the other one looks like. Alright, here is the other inflatable.
Oh, you just noticed the box. He's walking up to it.
He's going to open it.
You got it, man. I saw my brother.
Oh, alright. Let's see what this guy looks like. Alright, so he's supposed to be 12 feet across, so I don't know.
Is that my mom?
No, it's not your mom, little cat. It's a giant spider. So here you can see the box comes with some stakes, and the plug should be attached.
Where is it? It's sneaky.
Alright, so the plug was inside the inflatable in the zipper, but it's we got it. It's ready to go.
Oh, do you know he glows?
Yeah.
You wait for him. It takes forever. I only saved him.
You think he's going to take forever?
Is he waking him out of here? I hope he doesn't. He's so giant. I'm bigger than spiders.
Alright, spread them out.
Hey, you stop. You can't defeat me. But you're way larger than me.
Fix the other legs, Aaron.
I will. Papa. Little teeny tiny baby spider.
Whoa.
I want to. Is he still inflating?
Yeah, he's still inflating, but look at him. He's giant.
Whoa, whoa.
Careful.
What's that, spider?
Be careful with the cord. Whoa, check him out. Cool. That's pretty cool, Aaron. Look at this guy. You can see him there compared to the other inflatable. Alright, so here is the back. That is the little fan for this pretty big inflatable. And I love his colors, black and purple. And he's got a kaleidoscope light. His little eyes glow. And he's just ginormous.
He just took me out 2 times.
You can see how big he is compared to Aaron.
Dodge!
He's attacking him. No, don't attack Aaron. He's your master. Whoa. Okay. All right, guys. So let us know what you guys think of these two new inflatables. This guy from At Home, and this guy is from Amazon. So thank you guys so much for watching, and let us know what you guys think. And bye.